3 square root 3, which is equal to square bracket open 2 square root 3 into 3 square root 3 square bracket closed minus square bracket open 2 into 9 square bracket closed, which is equal to 18 minus 18, which is equal to 0. Determinant method. Cramer's rule. Let's learn. Using determinants, simultaneous equations can be solved easily and in less space. This method is known as determinant method. This method was first given by a Swiss mathematician, Gabriel Cramer, so it is also known as Cramer's method. To use Cramer's method, the equations are written as a1x plus b1y is equal to c1 and a2x plus b2y is equal to c2. a1x plus b1y is equal to c1. This is our equation number 1. a2x plus b2y is equal to c2. This is our equation number 2. Here, x and y are variables. a1, b1, c1 and a2, b2, c2 are real numbers. a1, b2 minus a2, b1 is not equal to 0. Now let us solve these equations. Multiplying equation 1 by b2, we get a1 b2 x plus b1 b2y is equal to c1 b2. This is our equation number 3. Multiplying equation 2 by b1, we get a2 b1x plus b2 b1y is equal to c2 b1. This is our equation number 4. Subtracting equation 3 from 4, we get a1 b2x plus b1 b2y is equal to c1 b2 minus a2 b1x plus b2 b1y is equal to c2 b1. After subtracting, we get a1 b2 minus a2 b1 in brackets into x is equal to c1 b2 minus c2 b1. X is equal to c1 b2 minus c2 b1 divided by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. This is our equation number 5. Similarly, y is equal to a1 c2 minus a2 c1 divided by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. This is our equation number 6. To remember and write the expressions c1 b2 minus c2 b1, a1 b2 minus a2 b1, a1 c2 minus a2 c1, we use the determinants. Now, a1x plus b1y is equal to C1 and A2x plus B2y is equal to C2. We can write three columns: A1, A2, B1, B2, C1, C2. The values x, y in equation 5, 6 are written using determinants as follows. X is equal to C1 B2 minus C2 B1 upon A1 B2 minus A2 B1, which is equal to determinant C1 B1 C2 B2 upon determinant A1 B1 A2 B2. Y is equal to A1 C2 minus A2 C1 upon A1 B2 minus A2 B1, which is equal to determinant A1 C1 A2 C2 upon determinant A1 B1 A2 B2. To remember, let us denote. Determinant D is equal to A1 B1 A2 B2. Determinant Dx is equal to C1 B1 C2 B2. Determinant dy is equal to A1 C1 A2 C2. Therefore, x is equal to dx upon d, y is equal to dy upon d. For writing d, dx, dy, remember the order of columns A1, A2, B1, B2, C1, C2. From the equations A1x plus B1y is equal to C1 and A2x plus B2y is equal to C2, we get the columns A1, A2, B1, B2, C1, C2. In D, the column of constants C1, C2 is omitted. In dx, the column of the coefficients of x, A1, A2, is replaced by C1, C2. In dy, the column of the coefficients of y, B1, B2, is replaced by C1, C2. Let's remember Kramer's method to solve simultaneous equations. Write the given equations in the form ax plus by is equal to c. Find the values of determinants d, dx and dy. Using x is equal to dx upon d and y is equal to dy upon d, find values of x, y. Gabriel Kramer, 31st July 1704 to 4th January 1752. This Swiss mathematician was born in Geneva. He was very well versed in mathematics since childhood. At the age of 18, he got a doctorate. He was a professor in Geneva. Solved examples. Example 1. Solve the following simultaneous equations using Kramer's rule. 5x plus 3y is equal to minus 11. 2x plus 4y is equal to minus 10. Solution. Given equations, 5x plus 3y is equal to minus 11. 2x plus 4y is equal to minus 10. Determinant D is equal to 5, 3, 2, 4, which is equal to 5 into 4 in brackets minus 2 into 3 in brackets, which is equal to 20 minus 6, which is equal to 14. Determinant dx is equal to minus 11, 3, minus 10, 4, which is equal to minus 11 in brackets into 4 minus.